Okay, you guys, so I made my plate. This is what I'm having tonight is my tacos. Tacos, super, well, just taco. And if you guys want to see how I made, all the ingredients that I make my tacos, just keep watching this video. And I just, only thing that I want to do is just put the lettuce and tomato on the side. And I already got my onion. See how that is? I already got my ground beef and my salsa by my ground beef. And this is the Waka and the sour cream. So yeah, that's why I love to keep these container because it's just more easy, especially it's a good um, holder too. If you can see, very good holder. Yes, indeed. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you receive the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Till then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm drinking on. Take another picture. And this is what I'm drinking on. Alrighty. And also, a lot of people make uh, post stuff on Taco Tuesday and stuff, but when I make taco, it just usually I make tacos and I say Happy Taco Tuesday, but anywho, this is just my dinner. Okay, let's see the meat. I think you can see the meat real good here. Yep, see that? And if you guys want to see again what kind of ground beef I use, just keep watching this video. All right, and I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in this upload video. If you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Okay, this is what I'm cooking in my kitchen, tacos. Now let's brown my ground beef. Okay. Okay, you guys, my taco meat is ready. So now just make my plate.
Morning. You did. And two of your friends tried to kill me last night. Turn around.
And this is my topping. And yes, what I did, I just shredded it up. This is the butterhead lettuce. I just shredded it up. This go on my tacos, my lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese. This is the taco shell I'm using. I like that guacamole, sour cream. And this is my sauces that I'm gonna use. Okay? Some people I usually use taco sauce, but I like to try different sauce. And this in here, I just did some Spanish rice. I just did some Spanish rice on the side. And then what I'm gonna do, you guys, I like this container, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in this container. Okay? Alrighty. See you guys when I make my plate.